Hello YouTube, lawn diseases and their prevention. The perfect lawn is a gardener's dream. In order for the grass to grow evenly, without bald spots and yellow spots, it is very important to diagnose lawn diseases in time and effectively deal with them. Brown and yellow spots and bald spots on the lawn can be the result of a disease. Most common grass diseases are caused by fungi. And, although there are many types of diseases, the basic measures for preventing and combating them are the same. The most common lawn diseases. Dealing with lawn problems is easier if you can identify a specific disease, but identification can be difficult because many diseases look the same. To further confuse things, lawn diseases resemble other problems such as dog urine stains, over or under fertilization, over or under watering, too much shade, and dull mower blades. Large brown spots on the lawn may indicate brown spot disease or anthracnose. Brown spots are usually round in shape, while anthracnose spots are irregular in shape. If yellow or brown spots of regular round shape and up to 10 centimeters in diameter began to appear on the grass, then this is most likely a dollar spot fungus. Fusarium, or snow mold, can develop on cool grass after cold weather or snow melt. It can be gray or pink, depending on the type. Lawn disease prevention. To prevent the occurrence of diseases, follow these recommendations. Choose lawn grass recommended for your area and always choose the most disease-resistant variety. Level the lawn to get rid of areas where water can stagnate. Test the soil every 5 years and follow the recommendations after testing. Follow a regular fertilization schedule. Keep your lawn mower blade sharp and remove no more than 1/3 of the length with each mowing. Do not mow wet grass. Aerate the lawn every 2 years to bring oxygen and nutrients to the roots of the lawn. Remove the straw when it becomes thicker than 13 millimeters. Make sure that there are no leaves and debris on the lawn. Water the grass abundantly, but infrequently, to stimulate deep roots. Watering early in the morning allows the water to evaporate during the day, it is preferable, and wet grass during the night provokes diseases. Watch for problems to prevent them before they become serious. Trimming the affected areas. You can prevent the spread of the disease by cutting the grass in the affected area very shortly. Do not throw the cut infected grass into the compost, but destroy it. After mowing, clean your lawn care equipment before moving on to other parts of the lawn. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.